5 home remedies for blemishes. Blemishes can occur as a skin discoloration or a dark spots generally caused by acne, breakouts. They can also be attributed to the factors like hormonal imbalance, genetics, improper skin care, purite, sun exposure and aging. Pimples, pustules, blackheads and whiteheads can also be categorized as blemishes caused by clogged pores. These unsightly blemishes can appear anywhere on the body. That are the common on the face, neck, shoulders and back. The market is flooded with the products on the battle blemishes, but they are often expensive and chemical based. Instead, you can turn the mother nature to get rid of the blemishes and pamper your skin at the same time. Number 1 is lemon juice. Lemon juice works as an excellent skin lightening home remedy to reduce the dark spots and hyperpigmented due to its bleaching effect. Its high citric acid content exfoliates the skin, removes excess oil and kills the acne-causing bacteria. It also minimizes the appearances of the large pores and smooths the skin. You can simply apply fresh lemon juice on your skin and leave it for the 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this daily for a month or so. Number 2 is tomato juice. Being rich in vitamin C and antioxidant, tomato juice is excellent for creating glowing and blemish-free skins. Plus, it helps to shrink the large pores and cure acne due to its astringent properties. Tomatoes are good for reducing the sustenance due to their high lycopene content. Massage your skin with tomato pulp, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. And then follow the simple routine daily for several weeks or until you have the desired results. Enjoy clear and unhealthy skin also include the fresh tomatoes in your diet. Number 3 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is rich in alpha hydroxy acids and help to lighten the dark spots and blemishes. In addition, it helps to balance the skin pH level, reduces the excess oil and open clogged pores. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar also fights the acne breakouts. Mix 1 part of the organic apple cider vinegar and 3 parts of the water. If it seems too strong, you can increase the amount of water. Dip a cotton ball in this solution and dab it on the affected area. Leave it on about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. And use 2 to 3 times a day until the blemishes fade away. Number 4 is potato. Potato juice contains the starch that helps to reduce the pigmentation. It also diminishes the dark circles under your eyes. Peels and grate 1 small potato. Extract the juice causing a fine sieve or cheesecloth. Soak a cotton ball in the juice and apply it on your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Do this daily for about 1 month until you are satisfied with the results. Number 5 is Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth, also known as Multani Methi, is great for exfoliating your skin to remove the dead skin cells and get rid of the blemishes. It also absorbs the excess oil and has a skin lightening effect. Add sufficient rose water, green tea, cucumber juice, lemon juice or just plain water, 2 tablespoons and Fuller's Earth to make a stomach paste. Apply it on your skin. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off. And you can also mix 1 tablespoon of the tomato juice and sandalwood powder in 2 teaspoons of the Fuller's Earth to make a smooth paste. Spread this evenly on your skin and leave it about for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Use either of these remedies once or twice a week until you get desired results.